Bienvenidos a mi canal. Today I'm going to do two unboxings of two precious little tanks. One is a bag and then the other one is a wallet. One is from Van Moor, which is basically like a really fancy Macy's, I would say. It came with this box. Yeah, it got shipped here. And then the other item is from YSL. It's like my first ever YSL, so I'm gonna take you with me. I hope you guys like this, and yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so the first item I will show you guys is the crossbody from Kurt Geiger that I got from Van Moor for $285. Now, I am kind of confused on why I saw the same bag going for $325 in Kurt Geiger's website, Nordstrom, Dillard's, so things are just not adding up. But hey, I'm just glad I got the least expensive one for the same thing. Well, I hope. I really can't see the difference. So, but if you see the difference, let me know, okay? Maybe I'm just blind. So this sickening bag is made out of leather. The crocodile print is embossed to the leather, so it means it's not real crocodile leather, because that would have been extremely expensive. So it's most likely like a cowhide leather. Now, the eagle head with the gemmed eyes is really the main reason I got this bag. And Kurt Geiger places this on many, or actually mostly of all their products. And honestly, I love it. And I think it's cool and a little chic and a little edgy. And you know, I like it. I love it. Now, the chain strap is not removable, but it does have partial shoulder straps at both ends of the chain, so it's very comfortable to wear it, and it allows the chain to stay put when you want to wear it as a crossbody. So you can wear this multiple ways. You can wear this bag as a long strap bag on the side, just like this, or you can wear it as a short shoulder strap bag like this, which is so cute because it reminds me of my mom when back in the day she would wear bags like this. So cute. And you can wear it as a crossbody bag like this, which is the most common way I wear my bags. And for you guys to have a comparison of the bag to a body, I am 5 feet and 7 inches tall and I weigh about 172 pounds. This bag does come with a dust bag, which is very helpful to maintain it clean. In the inside of the bag, there is 2 compartments and 1 card slot. Now, I got to fill this bag up, right? So, personally, I didn't have a black wallet to match it, so I got one from YSL. It is in a very similar material and color of the metal and everything. I'm excited about it. And yes, I know the wallet costs more than the bag, but listen, a YSL bag is like $1,000 or probably even more now with the inflation. So I gotta settle with a wallet, you know? Gotta start little and then we'll get to the top. But I do have to say that the leather feels a lot nicer and the black is so much richer than the Kurt Geiger bag. I love how it has a zipper compartment for all your coins. And for the front side, it has a go-to slot that I'll probably use all the time. And also, it has many more compartments in the inside for all your monies, cards, you know, everything you want to store in a wallet. I gotta be real with you. I'm super nervous to use them because I don't want to scratch them. But I mean, that's really I bought them to use them, so I gotta use them. But yeah. That is it for this unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Next video, I will show you guys step by step on how you can make your own dust bag for your bags that don't have a dust bag. I made one for my fiance's older sister and she loved it. So you already know it's gonna be a good one. And I'll show you guys how to make it in a high quality way, you know, Aileen's way. Thank you so much for watching and for your love and support. It really means a lot for you watching. Give it a like if you like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.